Ganesh, mute your mic. So it is, these are the numbers like successive magnification, 3.756. Now this is 4-digit number, 3 decimal places. The number is with 3 decimal places. We have to represent on the number line. So it is terminating decimal, one representation of a terminating decimal, and the second representation of the non-terminating but repeating decimals. Representation we have to show on the number line. So for that, first one is, we have to start with 3, 3.756. So this number is after 3 but before 4. So we have to start with the first representation of 3. So on the number line, you have to show, start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this number lies between 3 and 4 somewhere. So we have to magnify this much portion. Between 3 to 4, we have to magnify. So we have to do this magnification. So we have to show by successive magnification. So this is where we have to start with, after 3 to 4, what will the number, first number now, representation of 3.7. So this is 3. Now 3.7 we have to show on the number line. So it will start with, after 3, 1 decimal place, 3.0, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9, and finally 4. So that means now 3.7 is here. But the number is still beyond 3.7 because the next is 3.75. So now the area between 3.7 and 3.8, because the number 75 is there. So 75 is above 7 but less than 8. So this part we have to magnify. So 3.7 to 3.8 part we have to magnify. So that is equal to, we have to show the line. We have to show the number line which shows the numbers from 3.71, 3.71, 3.72, 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, 3.80. So now the numbers between 3.7 and 3.8 have been magnified. So what is the next number now? 3.756. So 3.75 we got. So the next number is 3.756. So again 75 and 76 we have to magnify further. So the area between this part 3.75 and 3.76 we have to magnify further. So it starts from, which part, Tejasvi? First one will be
Ma'am, 3.751.
3.751, 3.752, 3.753, 3.754, 3.755, 3.756. You have to write all those things. Though you got the answer, but still you have to show all the numbers. 3.758, 3.759, and 3.76. So here is our 3.756, what actually we have to show. So this is the point, required point. So this is 3.756. Is this clear? The area we keep on magnifying and the numbers in between that we have to keep on showing. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So show this.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, as in our maths textbook, like when we keep magnifying, then it will be difficult to write numbers in small spaces. So can we skip some numbers in between, like 3.71?
No, you can write this way then. Instead of writing horizontally, the number line is here. In this one you're showing, you can
Yeah.
write this way. 3 point here, 3.76.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So this vertical way you can write it.
Okay.
You cannot skip anything.
Can you scroll it down? Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Next is now the same way terminating non-terminating but recurring decimals. Till 4 decimal places you have to show the representation. So that is suppose we'll take 4.76 bar till 4 decimal places. Okay. Now 4 decimal places means how much we have to show? 4.76 get repeated.
Sorry, ma'am.
4.7676.
So we have to show it as 4.76 4.76, so on. It is not stopped there, it will continue. So you have to show the representation of 4.7676, at least till 6 we have to show, but it will not be the same number. It will not be exact number, we will not get. 1. Turn on your mic. So first we have to show the forces representation. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So number lies after 4 but before 5. So this part we have to magnify 4 to 5. We have to magnify. So this will be 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5. So the number is 4.7 but after 4.7 less than 4.8. So this part we have to magnify 4.7 to 4.8 we have to magnify. So the next number starts from 4.71, 4.72, 4.73, 4.74, 4.75, 4.76, 4.77, 4.78, 4.79 and 4.8. So we got now 4.76, but 76 after that 7 is again there. So that means the number between 4.76 and 4.77 we have to magnify. So this part and this part we have to magnify further. So it starts with, next number will be, what is the first number here? It is starting from 4.76. So this number is
4.761.
4.761. Second point is 4.762, 4.763, 4.764, 4.765, 4.766, 4.767, 4.768, 4.769 and 4.70. 77, sorry. So now we need 767. Here it is 767. So further this part also we have to magnify further. So this to this part, 767 and 768 part. Again we have to magnify. Further it will be, it starts with next number
4.671.
4.7671, 4.7672, 4.7673, 4.7674, 4.7675, 4.7676, 4.7677, 4.7678, 4.7679 and last is 4678, 4680. Now we got 4.7676 now. 4 decimal place already we got, but this number is not exactly the required number. So that might be the after that, because 764.767676 so on, it is increasing. It has not stopped. So we will not get the proper number till 4 decimal place also. Till this part we have done. Now next will be the 7 one. After 6, the 7th one. So in this line, the 10 divisions we have to do. Out of that, the 7th division is 76767 will come. So that number randomly anywhere closer. Now it is more than 5, so more than half a distance we have to mark here, and then we have to show that is equal to 4.7676 bar. randomly anywhere between 4.7676 after that somewhere, but it is, you have to check whether it is lesser than 5 or lesser than 4. Next number after 7676, next number is 7. 7 is more than 5, so we have to show nearer to the next line. We have to show somewhere in between. So this is the required number. Somewhere here we will get the R required number. So that is approximately that point you have to show on the number line. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Till 4
Yes,
decimal
ma'am.
places, till
Yes, ma'am.
4 decimal places you have to show on the number line, and after that somewhere in between those two numbers we have to mark the required number. Then draw this.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if it is a 3 digits repeating,
Yeah.
so they'll tell us to still where we should find it.
Yes, it is 3 decimal places or 4 decimal places or 5 decimal places. They will mention in the question. In the question it is mentioned whether you have to do with the 3 decimal places or till 4 decimal places or 5 decimal places.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Then do 3 points. This one you can do the number 5 point. If you have completed 5.35 bar till 4 decimal places. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, done. Then this is about the rational number successive magnification representation. Now we have the irrational numbers representation. Today we are continuing, we are completing this part. Science will do afterwards. So irrational number representation on number line. In this case, first the whole now this will numbers root 2, root 3, root 4, root 5, root 6, so on. Root 13 also we can show, root 10 also we can show on the number line. So for that thing, what we have to do, we are doing the right triangles. We know that is root, if you do the right triangles, this is 90. If this side is 1 centimeter and this side is 1 centimeter, then the hypotenuse will be equal to, what is the value of hypotenuse we will get?
Root under 2.
Square root of 2, because h square is equal to a square plus b square. So 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, 2. H square is equal to 2, so h is equal to square root 2. So that means hypotenuse we will get root 2. Now another right triangle with base is root 2 and the height is 1. So what is the hypotenuse? H square is equal to 1 square plus root 2 square. So it is 1 plus 2, 3. So h square is equal to 3. H is equal to root 3. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we have to do, we have to start drawing like this way. For that purpose, we have to draw one number line. Start from point O. Draw 1 centimeter. Take exactly 1 centimeter with the scale. 1 centimeter exactly. Don't magnify it. It is 1 centimeter exactly we are doing. With the help of protractor or the compass, if your teacher has told. Compass, I don't think so need to be used because it's much more complicated. So here we have to draw perpendicular 90 degree. This is the number 90 degrees. So on this line, we have to draw 1 centimeter arc with the compass. Compass point, you have to keep it at this position. And 1 centimeter arc, you are drawing this one. So this is point A. A to B, you have to draw as 1 centimeter. So horizontal line 1 centimeter, vertical height is 1 centimeter. So when you join hypotenuse like this way, so value of this will be, we already have calculated, this is vertical 1, horizontal 1, then hypotenuse is root 2. Now we have to show this distance on number line. So therefore keep a compass at point O, take OB as a radius and draw arc from O. So it will come like this. So this point intersects. So OB distance and O, this is suppose B dash. OB dash distance, and OB distance is same because same circle we are trying to draw. So that means they have the same radius. So OB distance is equal to OB dash. So our OB dash is equal to root 2 centimeter. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Simple one. Horizontal line 1 centimeter. On that perpendicular 90 degree you have to draw 90 degree properly with protractor. Then 90 degree on that 1 centimeter arc, and then join O to B distance. Then take O as a center, OB as a radius, draw an arc cutting from B to the number line. So that point you will get B dash. So OB dash is equal to root 2 centimeters. It's clear? Now root 3 we have to draw in the same part. We already got root 2 as a base here. So at this point we have to draw again 90 degrees. So this way. Here 90 degree construction we have to do. Then here 1 centimeter from point B, 1 centimeter arc you have to do. You have to cut an arc with 1 centimeter and then join this point C to O. So OC distance is root 3 because this is root 2, one base is root 2 and the height is 1 centimeter. So if the height is 1 centimeter, OC is a hypotenuse which is root 3. So again keep a compass at O, take a radius as OC and then cut an arc intersecting circle at point C dash. So O to C dash is equal to OC, that is equal to root 3 centimeter. Is it clear? So if you keep on continuing the same process, drawing a perpendicular, cutting 1 centimeter arc and joining center to that point, you will get further root 2 you got, the same way root 3 you got. Next you will get root 4, that is 2, then root 5, root 6, root 7. So on you will keep getting on this one and it will form one spiral structure. But we are drawing only till this part. This part we are not supposed to do. They will ask you the questions based mostly on the square root of decimal numbers. So that is a different construction. So right now 2 till root 5. No, root 2 and root 3, that's it, only draw. Don't draw for root 4 and root 5. I will show you how to draw the root 5 construction in a separate triangle. Yes, Trishula?
If the question is like directly find root 5, then
That was I will show you.
Ma'am, can
Sorry
you
about that.
explain root 3 once again?
Root 2 you got?
Yes, ma'am.
On root 2, at this point B, you have to draw the perpendicular 90 degree construction. At point B. Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So that
Yes,
one
ma'am.
point you have to extend it, and from point B, 1 centimeter arc you have to draw on that perpendicular line. So that point is C, and then join OC.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, this is root spiral, but we can also do the other type, no?
Yes, other type also can be done.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Ma'am? Ma'am?
Yes, Trishula, you want to ask something?
Ma'am, if we take the base as 2 centimeter or 3 centimeters, so we should, from O we should take 2 or 3 centimeters.
No. 1
Like that.
centimeter only. No, you 1 centimeter means 1 centimeter. You cannot change it anything. For
2 centimeters?
for
Ma'am,
root 2.
yeah.
So for root 2 it will remain
For 2
same.
centimeters,
I'm not getting what you actually wants to ask.
ma'am, from point O to A, you have taken 1 centimeter.
Yes.
So over there, if we take 2 centimeters,
You have to take 1 centimeter only because when it is 1 centimeter, you can see the right triangle. It is 1 centimeter base, 1 centimeter height. Then only the hypotenuse will be root 2. Now, if you increase this to 2 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter height, so what will happen then? 2 square is 4 plus 4, you will get root 8, not root 2.
okay.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and only the basic we took 2 centimeter and the height we took 1 centimeter. Then we'll get root 5 square, right?
Yeah, root 5.
Yeah.
Now drawing root 5, yes? Yes.
Ma'am, to bring the root 3 on number line, what we have to do?
Root 3 on a number line, O to C distance, take a radius in the compass. O as a center, keep the compass center at O and draw an arc from C to intersect the horizontal line.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
If you want to draw root 5 directly, then you have to draw the triangle, right triangle. Consider this base as 2. This is 2 square is 4 plus 1. You will get this as root 5. To get the root 5 value, we have to take the base of 2 and the height of 1 centimeter. Because h square is equal to 2 square plus 1 square. 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1. That is equal to 5. H square is equal to 5. So value of h is equal to root 5. So directly you can take the, draw the triangle with base 2 centimeter on O to A, that is 2 centimeter distance. Draw perpendicular at A. This is a perpendicular at A. Draw 1 centimeter arc from A to B is 1 centimeter arc. And if you join OB, then this OB distance is root 5. Then take center O, OB as a radius, cut an arc to the horizontal line. So this point of intersection is A dash or B dash. So OB dash is equal to root 5. Clear?
Ma'am, here O is 0.
O is the origin.
Yeah, but if we are on a number line, means 1 2 0 1 2 3 4.
Yeah, this is O is a zero value.
Yeah, okay.
Now, if you want to draw root 13, then what you will do? How to draw root 13?
From 2 square plus 3 square.
Yes, right. So we have to draw the triangle with 2 and 3 as a side. Then hypotenuse will be h square is equal to 2 square plus 3 square. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, so it is 13. So h square is equal to 13, h is equal to root 13. Okay, so you have to draw the right triangle with two sides as 3 and 2. So draw base O, 0 value, 3 centimeter A, this is 3 centimeter. Draw perpendicular at A, then cut 2 centimeter arc, that is point B, and then join OB. This is 90 degree. This OB value is root 13. Take a center at O, OB as a radius, and draw the arc which cuts the line at B dash. So OB dash is equal to root 13. Okay, so draw these two.
Mom, can I do it in spiral?
Spiral, then it will go very long, root 13.
Mom, I came still root 6.
Root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10, root 11, root 12, root 13. Is it possible?
Yes, mom. I can do it faster.
Do it.
Okay, mom.
But in exam, you are not supposed to do root 13 if it is asked.
Okay, mom.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Now drawing square root of a decimal number on a number line. So that is done by different method. We have to consider this as root 9.3. You can consider as root x. So what is the value of x?
9.3.
9.3. So what we have to do is we have to draw a line.
Mom, can you scroll a bit up? For root 13.
Here only it is there.
Yes. No, on the triangle.
1 second. This one? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here number line, one number line we have to draw. Take as origin point, 0 point as O. Now we have to take O to A distance. Draw OA is equal to X, that is 9.3 centimeter. Okay. O to A, you have to draw as 9.3 centimeter. Then after that, draw AB is equal to 1 centimeter. In all the cases, always after A to B is 1 centimeter distance you have to draw. Is it clear till this part?
Yes, ma'am.
One number line you have to take. O to A distance is the given value of square root number. Inside the square root, whatever the number is present, that value you have to take it on the number line. Then from A to B, and one more point B we have to take, which is at a distance of 1 centimeter. Then we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of AB, O to B. That means keep a compass at O, take more than half a distance, cut an arc at the top and at the down. From B, now same distance, cut an arc top and down. Now join those 2 points with a shaded this one line, dotted line. It intersect at this point. Consider this point as C. Now keep a compass, place a compass point at C. Take a distance from C to O or C to B, because from C to both the distances are equal. C point is the midpoint of OB. So take distance between C to O or C to B and draw the circle, semicircle passing through O and B. So it's to pass through O and B. You have to draw. After that, now here AB, draw perpendicular bisector of OB. It intersect OB at point C. Then draw semicircle with C as center and OC as radius. Okay. Now at point O, we have to point A, we have to draw the 90-degree construction with the compass. So first draw the semicircle at point O as a center. We have to take, draw the radius, draw the arc of any radius, smaller radius. Then you know the 90-degree construction.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is point A. Draw one arc at any radius. Keep a compass at point here, intersection point. Cut one arc. Again cut another arc. Then with the placing a compass at this point, cut one arc. Placing a compass point at this one arc. Place this, mark this, intersect earlier arc, and then join these 2 points. D, that point of intersection, and upward. So this point of intersection, give the name as AD. So actually AD adds square root of 9.3. Then place a compass at point A, AD as a radius, and draw an arc, because that point we have to show on a number line. So compass at A, AD as a radius, and draw an arc passing through D and meeting at number line. So this point is D dash. So A D dash is also equal to 9.3 centimeter from A, not from O. Only from A to D distance is square root of 9.3.
Ma'am, so here,
Yes.
A is 0.
A is the origin, 0. This is 0 value, and AD distance, AD dash is the square root of 9.3 distance. So OC has a radius, we have drawn semicircle, then draw 90-degree at point A. It intersects circle at point D. So square root of, AD is equal to square root of 9.3. So draw an arc with A as center and AD as radius. It intersects a horizontal line or number line at point D dash. So therefore AB dash is equal to square root of 9.3 centimeter. So draw this construction and write the steps of construction also.
Ma'am, while doing in exam or somewhere like that in test, should we write the steps of construction?
Yes, steps of construction you have to write. Justification you have to write only if it is asked. And I will explain you justification.
Ma'am, for everything, like for root 13, root 5,
Yes,
everything.
everything you can do the same construction. Root
Okay.
13, root 8.5, root 8 also, root 5 also you can show the same way.
Ma'am, if you write the steps of construction even for the root 13, root 3, root 2.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Whenever construction you are doing, you should have the habit of writing steps of construction. So though it is asked in the exam or not asked in the exam, but you should be ready with the steps of construction.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, when we draw the bisector, we take it as OA or OB.
Bisector of OB.
Okay.
More than from B you have to draw the arcs, not from A, because the semicircle should touch B.
Can you scroll down?
Completed.
Ma'am, writing steps.
Okay.
Ma'am, what is that GO?
Which one is GO?
It's looking like GO.
Where
It's
exactly?
90 degree. Draw 90 degree at point A.
Okay, 90 degree.
Draw 90 degree at point A.
Ma'am, can you scroll it down?
Done, ma'am.
Everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to see the justification. Why exactly AD distance is root 9.3? How it can be? So for that you need the justification. So for that justification, we have to do some proving part. So I'm erasing the steps. Switch.
Ma'am, can you show the last line of the step?
What is going on? Mute your mic. Here, this one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now see what has been done. So that is, we can say that AD is a now O, we have taken root 9.3 is equal to root x we have used. So and x we have shown, OA we have used as a x, right? It's OA is 9.3. So value of x is 9.3. So OA is equal to x we have taken. So O to A distance is x. Now AB is
1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. So what is OB? AB is equal to 1. So what is OB distance?
10.3.
10.3.
No, don't take it in terms of 9.3. Tell me in terms of x. Because this is common justification for all the types of examples.
X plus 1.
X plus 1.
OB is x plus 1. So what is OB for the semicircle? OB is the diameter of the circle.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So OB is the diameter. What is the radius then?
OC.
C.
OC distance. So what is the OC distance then?
9.3 by 2.
X
Okay, x plus 1 by
OC distance is x plus 1 by 2. So OC and CB are equal.
Yes.
They are the radius CB. C to B is also the radius. So CB is also x plus 1 by 2. Right? So C to B distance we got as this to this distance is x plus 1 by 2. Out of that, AB is 1 centimeter. Can we calculate OC distance? CA distance?
Yeah.
CB. Now, what is AC distance? AC is equal to
X plus 1
CB.
by 2 minus 1.
CB, total distance CB minus AB is the distance of AC. Is it?
Yes.
Everyone, is that clear? AC distance is equal to BC distance minus AB distance. BC is x plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Simplify x plus 1 minus 2 by 2. This is x minus 1 by 2 is the AC distance. So what is the AC distance we got? X minus 1 by 2. Now join CD. What is CD? What is the CD distance?
X minus 1 by 2.
CD is also the radius of the circle.
Yeah.
So that is equal to x plus 1 by 2. We have got the R value.
Yeah.
Radius is x plus 1 by 2. CD is also radius. So it is also equal to x plus 1 by 2. Now angle A is 90 degree. ACAD is which type of a triangle?
Right angle triangle. Right,
Right
angle triangle.
triangle. ACD is right triangle. So we can use apply Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So CD square is equal to
Is equal
AD
to
square
AD square
plus AC square.
Yes.
So now substitute the value. We have CD value as x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to AD square that we have to calculate. What is AC value? AC is x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Right? Now simplify this. AD square is equal to x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. So this is x plus 1 by 2 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. This is in the form of a square minus b square. You can open the bracket, then also you can solve, or you can do it is in the form of a square minus b square. So do it simple by a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b? X plus 1 by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 minus x minus 1 by 2. That is equal to AD square. So when we add it, x plus 1 plus x minus 1 by 2 minus 1 get cancelled. This is equal to 2x by 2, 2 get cancelled into second bracket x plus 1 minus x minus minus plus 1 by 2. X get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 by 2.
Is equal to 1.
That is 1. AD square. So x into 1 is x is equal to AD square. So square root of x is AD. So this is what we want. AD distance is the square root of the number. So x is 9.3 we have used. So AD is equal to square root of 9.3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Only this is for your knowledge. They will not ask you an exam.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, write it down. This is for your knowledge. It is not asked for exam. Construction is asked. You will get the construction in the exam, but not the justification.
Ma'am, but we should write.
Yes, you have to write it down. So to shift from this part, first finish this part, then this part finish it from AC. After this, start this side and downwards.
Can you scroll it down? Ma'am, little more down. Done, ma'am.
Okay, everyone completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
So you're practicing these questions. 8.5, 7.6 square root, then 4.6 and 5.7. So these questions you have to practice at home, the construction of these
Ma'am,
part.
by which form?
Last one. The decimal numbers can be only by last method.
Okay, ma'am.
Decimal number by spiral method you cannot solve by for this one numbers, decimal numbers.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the
Ma'am,
end of
should we
first
also write
chapter.
the justification?
Not needed.
Okay.
Not needed.
This is the homework.
Right.
Yeah, this is the homework.
Ma'am. But steps are we supposed to write?
Yes, steps of construction you have to write.
Okay.
Steps of construction every time you have to write. Justification not needed. Completed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Madhushri, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then this is the end of first chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
From the next class, second chapter we will start. But now some part of physics also we will take it, 10, 15 minutes still are there. Okay.